Welcome to Gallabox tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss a smart move for collecting data efficiently. Introducing WhatsApp Forms in Gallabox Bots, a solution to streamline your data collection. To collect your customer information seamlessly through your chatbot, navigate to Bots from left navigation. WhatsApp Forms create a smooth experience for your customers while gathering valuable data for you. Gallabox Bots offers two cards for integrating forms, Send Form and Ask Form. Use Send Form to present a form up front, perfect for quick surveys or disclaimers. This option collects information without waiting for a response. Here's how to configure Send Form: add the text for the body, change the button name, and choose the desired published WhatsApp form from the dropdown. Click on Save. Choose Ask Form if you want to collect responses, store them, and personalize the bot flow based on customer answers. Configuring Ask Form involves adding the question text, changing the button name content, choosing the WhatsApp form, creating a variable to store responses, and clicking Save. It's a quick and easy process within Gallabox. Both options offer easy configuration within the Gallabox bot builder. Based on the functionality you want, Send Form and Ask Form can be used in a bot flow. Head to the log section to find the information on the number of customers interacted with the bot flow. To view the actual responses collected through a specific form, navigate to Forms on the left menu and select that form. And that's a wrap on WhatsApp Forms and data collection in Gallabox. For more tips and tricks on building successful chatbots, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.